Good day! For today's video, it's the actual turnover ng first ever home naming mag-asawa dito sa First Park Homes, Tayabas. Actually, this is the second schedule ng turnover because sa first one, nagkaroon pa ng minor repairs. And we're here! Two-story townhouse siya. It's called the Calista model and end corner unit yung nakuha namin. $99 square meters ang lot area. Since medyo malaki yung lot, mas may provision kami for expansion. And with fence, gate, and carport na din yung unit. Going inside, 40 square meters ang floor area. Isang toilet and bath sa baba. And 2 bedrooms upstairs. Also, may provision na ng toilet and bath sa taas. I like the natural light dito sa space na to. And it's just practical for a couple na starting out a family. This is the second bedroom or the smaller room. And sa likod nito, andun yung provision para sa second toilet and bath. Both rooms may provision na din for a window type aircon and this one's the master's bedroom. Ito yung view sa taas from the second bedroom. So we're planning to extend the kitchen dun sa area sa may likod. Paunti-unti. Ito yung CR sa baba with shower na siya. Back door ang laundry area and hopefully makapagpagawa ng kitchen dito sa area na to. Diba? Hirap na hirap kung buhatin ako. Bakit? From their welcome token, naka-receive kami ng message and we also have the keys. I think 3 sets ito. And then we have the USB. Andito yung blueprint ng model house and other HOA documents. And almost all around Tayabas, may view ng Mount Banahaw. My own water tank ang first and hopefully, walang maging issue sa supply. After checking the unit, we went back sa office to sign some turnover documents. Thank you for watching this video.